Compact Japanese Kei trucks are coming to revolutionize small business operations across America, delivering work capabilities that make $50,000 full-size pickups look wasteful and unnecessary. If you're throwing away thousands on truck payments, fuel, and maintenance for a vehicle that's 3 times bigger than what your work actually requires, these miniature workhorses cost a fraction to buy and operate while handling the same daily tasks. While most contractors and business owners assume you need a full-size pickup to run a legitimate operation, Kei trucks are proving that tiny engines and 6-foot beds can outperform traditional trucks in real-world profitability. Let's check out 7 reasons why Kei trucks are the best work hack you will ever use. Number 7. Versatile cargo bed. The cargo bed on a Kei truck is going to challenge everything you think you know about truck utility. These compact beds measure around 6 feet long and 4.5 feet wide, which initially sounds limiting. But here's where it gets interesting. The bed floor sits lower than traditional pickup beds, making loading and unloading significantly easier without sacrificing your back in the process. Anyone who's spent a full day loading and unloading a high bed pickup knows the toll it takes on your body. Reaching over tall bedsides or constantly climbing in and out creates fatigue that slows you down and increases injury risk. That's exactly why most Kei truck models feature drop sides on all 3 sides, both sides plus the rear. This configuration is going to transform how you access your cargo. Instead of struggling with awkward reaches, you're simply dropping whichever side gives you the best access. Landscapers are finding they can load mulch, equipment, and tools faster than with their old F-150s. The bed's flat floor design means you're stacking materials more efficiently than in traditional trucks with wheel wells eating into cargo space. Therefore, contractors are discovering they can fit standard 4x8 sheets of plywood flat in the bed. That's something many modern crew cab pickups actually struggle with due to shortened bed lengths. But a versatile bed means nothing if you can't adapt it to your specific business needs, which is exactly where the next advantage becomes a game changer. Number 6. Customization and multi-sector adaptability. Kei trucks are becoming the ultimate blank canvas for specialized work applications. What's separating these vehicles from traditional pickups is the aftermarket's response to their simple, modular platform. You're going to find customization options that would cost a fortune on a full-size truck, but come at a fraction of the price for Kei vehicles. Agricultural operations are installing spray rigs and fertilizer spreaders directly onto the bed. Municipal workers are adding dump bed conversions for snow removal and maintenance work. Food vendors are transforming these trucks into mobile kitchens and coffee shops. It's something that's practically impossible with a standard pickup without major modifications. Every business owner knows the frustration of paying premium prices for custom fabrication on modern vehicles. Complex electronics, integrated systems, and specialized materials make even basic modifications expensive and time-consuming. The simple body-on-frame construction of Kei trucks changes this completely. Modifications don't require specialized tools or expensive fabrication. A local welder can adapt these trucks to virtually any specialized need. Therefore, businesses across sectors, from construction to catering, are finding they can customize a Kei truck for less than $3,000, while similar modifications on a traditional truck would easily cost $10,000 or more. Of course, customization options don't matter much if the truck can't actually handle the weight you're planning to carry, so let's talk about load capacity. Number 5. Excellent payload to mass utility. Here's where physics starts working in your favor instead of against you. A typical Kei truck weighs around 1,500 to 1,800 pounds, but can carry payloads of 770 to 880 pounds. That's nearly a 50% payload to weight ratio, significantly better than most full-size pickups that weigh 3 times as much, but only carry proportionally less. This efficiency is going to impact your operation in ways you haven't considered. Lighter vehicle weight means less wear on driveways, parking lots, and job sites. Property managers are appreciating this when contractors show up in Kei trucks instead of 6,000-pound behemoths that crack pavement and compact soil. Think about how your fuel costs spike every time you load up for a big job. While a full-size truck's fuel economy plummets when carrying maximum payload, Kei trucks maintain impressive efficiency even when fully loaded. The lightweight design means the engine isn't straining under excessive vehicle weight before you even add cargo. Delivery services are discovering they're saving 30 to 40% on fuel costs compared to traditional light-duty trucks while still completing the same number of deliveries. But impressive payload capacity becomes meaningless if you can't actually reach your job sites, which brings us to terrain capability. Number 4. All-terrain capability. Most K-Trucks feature four-wheel drive with low-range gearing and differential locks. These aren't luxury options or expensive add-ons. They're standard equipment on the majority of models. Therefore, landscapers are accessing backyard job sites through narrow gates and across soft ground where full-size trucks would get stuck or cause property damage. Anyone running a rural or outdoor business understands the problem of being able to see the job site but not reach it. Wet conditions, steep grades, and soft ground turn into lost revenue when your vehicle can't make it through. The short wheelbase and tight turning radius of K-Trucks create a decisive advantage here. You're maneuvering through tight trails and cramped construction sites that force larger trucks to take wide, damaging paths or give up entirely. Orchard operators and vineyard managers are using these trucks between crop rows where traditional vehicles simply won't fit. The ground clearance on lifted variants reaches 8 to 10 inches, matching or exceeding many modern crossovers while weighing significantly less. All this off-road capability is impressive, but most work actually happens in cities and suburbs, where a completely different challenge emerges. Number 3. Urban maneuverability. This is where K-Trucks are absolutely destroying the competition in real-world work scenarios. The turning radius on most models measures just 12 to 14 feet. That's less than half what you're dealing with on a modern crew cab pickup. Every city contractor knows the sinking feeling of arriving at a job only to discover parking is impossible. You're choosing between illegal parking that risks tickets or wasting 15 minutes searching for a legal spot blocks away. The compact dimensions solve this daily headache completely. They also bring another hidden advantage in cities with congestion pricing or restricted zones. Many K-Trucks could qualify for lower toll rates and can access areas where larger commercial vehicles face restrictions. Therefore, delivery services and mobile businesses are saving money on fees while accessing premium service areas that larger competitors simply can't reach efficiently. So, the maneuverability is outstanding. But what happens when something breaks and you need repairs? Number 2. Mechanical simplicity. Here's the advantage that's going to save you the most money over time. K-Trucks use naturally aspirated 3-cylinder engines with displacements around 660 cubic centimeters. No turbochargers, no complex emission systems, no overcomplicated electronics that require dealer-only diagnostic equipment. This simplicity translates directly to maintenance costs that seem almost unbelievable compared to modern vehicles. Basic service intervals are straightforward. Oil changes take standard supplies available at any auto parts store. The entire engine can be removed and reinstalled by one person in under 3 hours. Try that with a modern pickup. The real savings with K-Trucks appear when things go wrong. Replacement engines cost $500 to $1,500, not $5,000 to $15,000, like modern truck engines. Therefore, businesses are discovering these vehicles have essentially unlimited economic life. When an engine wears out, replacing it costs less than a month's payment on a new pickup. The simple transmission design means rebuilds run $300 to $800 instead of $3,000 to $8,000 for modern automatic transmissions. Low maintenance costs are great, but the real question every business owner asks is simple: how fast will this investment pay for itself? Number 1. Quick return on investment. This is the reason that's going to change how you think about business vehicle ownership entirely. Most K-Trucks can be purchased for $6,000 to $12,000. That's less than the sales tax on a new full-size pickup in many states. Businesses running the numbers are seeing payback periods of 6 to 18 months depending on use case. A landscaping company replacing a $45,000 pickup with a $9,000 K-Truck is banking the $36,000 difference while still completing the same work. The fuel savings alone, typically $600 to $1,200 monthly for high-use operations, means the vehicle pays for itself even faster. But here's where it gets truly powerful. Lower insurance premiums, minimal financing costs, and dramatically reduced maintenance expenses mean these trucks often operate for 1/4 to 1/3 the total cost of ownership compared to traditional pickups. Therefore, smart operators are building fleets of 3 to 4 K-Trucks for the price of one new F-150, multiplying their operational capacity while actually reducing expenses. When you add up the versatile cargo access, unlimited customization potential, superior payload efficiency, genuine off-road capability, city-beating maneuverability, virtually bulletproof mechanical simplicity, and ROI that pays back in months instead of years, the real question isn't whether K-Trucks make sense for your operation. It's how much money you're leaving on the table by not making the switch. While your competitors keep sinking cash into oversized trucks they don't need, businesses running K-Trucks are quietly banking the difference and reinvesting those savings into growth that actually matters. Advantages of K-Trucks are obvious, and we presume the next thing you want to do is to check out some of the specific models. One of them is the Suzuki Carry, which you can check out in our next video. It's a quintessential K-Truck with numerous qualities that suggest it could be very successful on the North American market.